So I've been out and about harvesting some wild nettles, and I've got some stinging nettles here which have wilted under boiling water and just chopped up. I'm going to show you how I incorporate them into a dish, and it's a simple Farsi style vegetable dish that lends itself very well to spinach, to anything with spinach in it, and to things like courgettes or zucchini, as you may know them, and beans, any kind of green bean. So this time I'm doing it with nettle and with courgette or zucchini. Farsi simply means it's cooked in oil and it's cooked with onions, garlic and tomato. So I'm going to get along and sort that out. So I've got here two small tomatoes which have chopped up, skin on everything. They came from my garden and I froze them, so that's why they look a bit mushy. There's about 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. You need a good amount of garlic for this dish. And I've got about a quarter of an onion there, which I've chopped up into pieces. So it's a slack handful of onion, slightly more than a slack handful of courgette or zucchini, and about the same of a wilted, squeezed dry nettle. Right, let's get this over the pot and we'll see it cook. So I'm going to turn the heat initially high. Okay, as the pan comes up to heat, I'm going to add a bit of olive oil in the bottom, so a couple of tablespoons full, and bring that up to heat. And once that's up to heat, get in the onion and the garlic. I would have preferred a slightly higher strike heat than that, but it's all well and good. And we bring that up to heat, keep stirring it so that nothing sticks and burns on the bottom, and you'll get that lovely smell of garlic and onions frying together. One of the best smells in the food world, that is, in my opinion. Absolutely lovely. And into that I'm going to throw in all my zucchini pieces. And if you're cooking it with green beans, you would cook in the green beans at this time and fry them for a couple of minutes. You're really looking for the onions to turn translucent now. Okay, at this stage I'm going to add in my spinach or nettles. Stir and fry that for a short while, because you want to get a fry on the nettles. You don't just want to add them just as a kind of boiled item. Frying them brings out an extra level of flavour. And it really is this simple. It takes a few seconds. So once you've got a turn on the nettles, now is the time to add in your tomato. I add it all in, skins and all, doesn't bother me. You can skin them if you like, that's up to you. Or you can add some chopped tomatoes from a can of chopped tomatoes. Does a pretty good job. And that is pretty much it. It's pretty simple, apart from just adding a bit of salt and pepper. A little pinch of salt, not too much, just enough to bring out the flavours. And there you are. Now I turn off the heat and let that cook in the retiring heat. You can cook this in advance because it's particularly nice when reheated. So you leave it sitting in the pan and then just reheat it and bring it up to heat, and you've got a delicious side dish, and it's super nutritious with nettles. Thanks for watching.